Hey guys, it's Ryan with Photosyntheguys. I just wanted to make a video today. I wanted to make this thing called a Succiepot in a pot. Basically, it's you take a pot that you have and you sink it into another pot, and then you put a bunch of succulents in there, and it looks like all the succulents are growing out of this pot. It kind of looks like a bouquet of succulents. So I just wanted to do that today. Hopefully this will just be a super relaxing video. We'll speed it up and we will put some relaxing music on in the background. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this with soil and then stick this pot right in here. This is a broken terracotta pot that I had that I'm just repurposing because if you're like me, sometimes you drop these and they break. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this with soil.